What is up, guys? Vinny here again with some more tinnitus, however people want to say it, talk. Sorry I haven't been around in a couple of weeks, actually. I've had a lot of stuff going on. I had a funeral, I had some internal things, blah, blah, blah. It's not about me. But I'm actually going to make this one really short and then make another one fairly soon. But I just want to reiterate on a thing that I had gone on in the past. We need to make tinnitus quieter by being in a more homeostasis setting. So without all further ado and talking about all the other things of what we need to do or whatever, go outside, go get fresh air, be in nature, hang out with your friends and family that make you happy, not the ones that are bad for you or the ones that don't make you feel comfortable or whatever. Go to a comfortable place, have a comfortable place, make a comfortable place. Some place that you feel like a little kid again, some place that you can just relax, because tinnitus is a stress response in so many ways. I think I had gone over in a previous video that a lot of people don't, like ridiculous amount of people have it, not because of loud noises or whatever, but just because you are stressed. So I'm just going to give you one example because I'm trying to be real quick here. But if you quiet your mind, you are going to quiet your tinnitus. And I'm just going to let you know this one. So I went to a concert this weekend. I had earplugs, but I went to a concert, like 7 hours of ridiculously loud music. And I had these ear dial earplugs, which are awesome, by the way. They're called ear dial. You can get them on Amazon. And they just take out just a certain amount of sound. But I have no problems from having gone to that concert. In fact, my tinnitus has been a little bit quieter because I had such a good time at that concert. I went with a friend. Her and I had a really good time. And that's it. So don't take what they say of, oh, you're always going to have this, or there's no clinical cure, or blah, blah, blah. You do what makes you happy. And if going to a concert makes you happy, get some earplugs if you're worried about it, like I was. If it makes you happy after, too, you're going to have less tinnitus. If you go to a friend's house and you play cards, or you go to a friend's house and you play video games, or you go to your friend's house or girlfriend's or boyfriend's house or whatever it is, and you do whatever you want that makes you happy, then I guarantee you it's going to get quieter. So let me know what happens. See you guys later.